What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for strategy B with the ticker symbol MSTR. I will first be going over what I see in the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Please trade at your own risk. So MSTR is still looking bearish, even though today was trying to move up higher, but we got rejected. I think we largely got rejected due to this downward sloping trend line. As you can see here, you can draw it off the wicks, then we did not reach it, but if you draw it off the body, on the second swing, it looks like we did get rejected right there. So we got the starting point, then we got the body of the candle to this wick right here. So it looks like we're still maintaining the downward descent lower, still below the EMA, still below the trend line, and price is like in a little consolidation pattern. So there's a little flag pattern going on right here, a little triangle pattern. You can see that it's compressing, the volatility is compressing. We have, several candlesticks just trading sideways here. It looks like it's trying to break down lower. So that's not a good sign. Typically, you'd want to see price bounce out of here, not consolidate at that level. So overall, still bearish. Not much has changed. I don't think it's going to drastically change by the end of the day either. Just an hour and a half left in the market. So as long as we're still below the 360 level, below the trend line, below the EMA, this is all still bearish territory. We need to see some aggressive buying to change the picture. But as right now, the narrative is still towards the downside. Macro range pattern is still in play as well. We have support right around the 230s, resistance right around that 400 level, 431 level. So it looks like a macro range pattern. And since we came to the middle of the range and found consolidation, but it looks like it's trying to continue its way down right now. So that's what it looks like the market is telling me, what the market participants are trying to do. We'll see if things change. But it looks like market participants are waiting for lower prices. Sellers are, aggressively dropping down the price. And overall, should be expecting lower prices until we see, strong buying. Today could have been strong buying, but we got immediate rejection, which is not a good sign. So most likely it will continue to trend lower and lower. Bitcoin looking sort of bullish, needs to see a strong break above 113, 112. We got a little break above it, but we need to see a strong break above it, or we'll just have like um, a fail breakout for lower prices. So we'll see what happens. It's above a bullish trend line, as you can see here. So it is making higher lows, but not higher. It is making a slight higher high. So we need to see a strong break above this level, and most likely it's going to come retest that prior high and probably even exceed it. I don't think that's the all-time high for Bitcoin. Most likely we can do better than that, especially with several more months left until the end of the year. 4 months left until the end of the year. Bitcoin against MSTR, you see that Bitcoin continues to outperform MSTR. As you can see, the chart is looking bullish. This thing looks like it's trying to move up higher. We have a low right here, a higher low, and another higher low. Looks like it's trying to make a higher high above this prior pivot, which is right around the 370s, above the bullish trend line, above the EMA. Before this level was resistance here, 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 and then we broke it, found support, support, support. So now it's trying to work its way up. So overall, the structure is looking bullish, right? It looks like it's trying to move up higher. Measure move target right around 433, 432. So it looks like Bitcoin is trying to continue to outperform MSTR, at least in the short term. So it's all that for MSTR. I mean, we could take out the weekly, but not much else to say on there. I mean, you could, go over that ascending trend line, 1, 2, 3 right there. But we're about to break it. You can see that, even if you draw it off of here, which would be better fitting, it looks like we have starting to break it, and we're back testing for resistance for lower prices. If you drag it on the shallowest point, we're still above it, but typically you want to see rejection off of a level, not acceptance. So it looks like it's trying to work its way down still. So MSTR hanging in there, but probably not that much longer. So all I have for MSTR and Bitcoin. This is Vee Trades. Thank you for your time. Be safe, have fun, and do great things.